Good morning. It's Wednesday, January 18th, 2023. I'm meteorologist KJ Allen, and this is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar is checking clear across the state of Georgia for the most part, other than southwest Georgia. We do have some light showers from Bainbridge just above Cairo, heading up toward Colquitt County and Moultrie, but it is foggy across the state. Temperatures are relatively warm as we head towards South Georgia, low 60s. We do have some mid 50s to low 50s up in North Georgia, and the dew point the match, so that's why it is very foggy out there this morning across the state. Here's our thunderstorm risk. This is for today, really going into tomorrow. So we have our general thunderstorm risk in northwest Georgia. Still, extreme northwest Georgia, Dade County, pretty much going to be in there for the level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather. And then for tomorrow, general thunderstorm risk over most of the state, taking us all the way down to the coastline. Here is our fog advisory for pretty much all of Georgia. Metro Atlanta's in there, southwest Georgia. Southeast Georgia is not in the advisory area, but just know that it is still very foggy, even in southeast Georgia and near the coastline. So just drive carefully as you get going this morning. It's going to take a while for that fog to mix out. We just have kind of a yucky atmosphere out there, we'll put it that way. It's still kind of cloudy and misty, and so it's going to be a pretty late fog to move out as we go through the day today. So let's go hour by hour. You see those light showers in southwest Georgia. They continue to lift up toward the north. No big deal here, not a big thunderstorm risk, but this is actually going to be probably a little closer to Macon as we head toward noon today and could be pushing over toward Vidalia and Statesboro heading into this afternoon. Still showing those light showers in southwest Georgia. Not a big deal for the rest of the state. We'll see a little sunshine here or there, but for the most part, it will be cloudy and a little dreary, a little misty in a few parts of the state today. And then as we move into this evening, showers start to build up in northeast Georgia as well. Light rain here, not a big deal, so we expect fog as we get started tomorrow morning once again. Back behind me, here comes this frontal system pushing through, and we're going to see that in northwest Georgia as we get started tomorrow morning, moving into metro Atlanta, hopefully just after drive time, so maybe everybody will be settled in before that line pushes through. So a few strong thunderstorms could go severe with a few of these, so we'll keep an eye out on that. But watch what happens when we go through the day. We'll be breezy tomorrow morning for all of the state, but then this line starts to weaken and broaden out. It's hitting some very stable air. Very hard to get these storms to hold together, and certainly hard for them to continue to develop. So by Thursday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, we're just looking at some showers starting to move into Macon, heading into Augusta. By tomorrow evening, it's just pretty much gone. Still going to be a little cloudy and still looking at that chance of rain, but the models all tend to agree that this line is just going to lose its gusto. It's going to enter Georgia tomorrow morning with some strength and then start to exit with almost nothing at all. As we head into Friday, we're going to start to see those skies clear, some drier air moving in, also going to be a little bit cooler. Expect breezy conditions over a good part of the state on Friday afternoon and a little more sunshine and looking pretty good on Friday evening. Showers back in on Saturday and watching the potential for another round of severe weather by Sunday. So I'll continue to keep an eye on that as we get a little bit closer and, of course, keep you up to date right here on the Georgia WeatherNet. Here's your local forecast now from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.